Craving a restaurant quality seafood dish at home? This sautéed shrimp and scallops recipe is quick, easy, and bursting with buttery garlic goodness. Pat dry scallops using paper towels. Season scallops with half teaspoon salt and quarter teaspoon black pepper. Place the shrimp in a large bowl. Add 1 tablespoon olive oil, half teaspoon salt, and quarter teaspoon black pepper. Toss to coat the shrimp in the seasoning. Next, add 2 tablespoons olive oil to a large cast iron skillet and set it over medium to high heat. Once the olive oil is hot, add the scallops and cook them for 2 minutes per side. Take the scallops out of the pan. Place them onto a plate. Wipe the skillet out with paper towels. Add another 2 tablespoons olive oil and let it heat up. Add the shrimp and cook them for 2 minutes per side. Take the shrimp out of the pan and place them onto a plate. Wipe the skillet out with paper towels. Add the butter and place the skillet over medium to low heat. Add garlic and shallots and cook them for 2 minutes, stirring periodically until the garlic is fragrant and the shallots soften. Place the scallops and shrimp back into the pan and toss them into the butter mixture. Add the lemon juice and cook it for 1 to 2 minutes until everything is heated. Transfer the scallops and shrimp to a platter and garnish them with parsley. And that's it, perfectly sautéed shrimp and scallops in just minutes. Give it a try and let us know how you like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. The recipe link is in the description.